How to use ChatGPT agent mode. In this video, I will guide you step by step to automate tasks and workflows. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into your ChatGPT account, and on the left sidebar, click GPTs and select agent mode, and then enable it from the preview screen. Step 2. Set your agent's task. Type your goal into the objective field. For example, send a daily sales report or analyze uploaded PDF files, and be specific for better results. Step 3. Select which tool to activate. Depending on your task, you can activate tools like browser, code interpreter, or file reader. This allows the agent to fetch data, run code, or work with documents. Step 4. Run the agent. Click Run Agent and watch the process unfold in real time, and you can pause or refine the task if needed. Step 5. Click Save Agent to reuse it later. You can find your save agents under My Agents on the sidebar. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.